Now, here we have the piece of text, the non-chronological report on Emperor Penguins. And just looking at the layout of it, we have the title there, Emperor Penguins. We have a sort of introduction, which sort of tells us a little bit about Emperor Penguins. Then we've got appearance, so what it looks like, its habitats, where it lives, what it eats, a little known fact, and then a true or false. When you are filling in these gaps, remember you are looking at the videos of myself doing the Talk for Rights actions. You will also hear me read out the sentences, so you'll be able to listen carefully for what I am saying and what words are missing from your piece of work. When you are doing this, you can either do this in two ways. You can either write the answer, or if you are unsure about doing that, you can also draw the picture. So, for example, if I was looking at the first sentence of the introduction, so Antarctica, which is the largest, If I was looking at that first gap and I'd watched the video, I know that Antarctica is home to the Emperor Penguins. Alright, so in this case, I have drawn pictures to fill in the gaps. But if you wanted, you could also write out those words. And with that, if you were doing that, that's when you would start to think about your phonics, your vocabulary, think about your spelling of these. Have you got any missing words?